The research being done in Professor Ahmet Selamet's lab at The Ohio State University is focusing on internal combustion engines and turbochargers with the ultimate goal of trying to reduce the fuel consumption and emissions from these machines. Each day in the United States, nearly 600 million gallons of petroleum is consumed by the transportation sector. And a great deal of that fuel energy just leaves the engine through the exhaust system in the form of enthalpy. Turbochargers are an excellent waste heat recovery device which utilize some of that energy to increase the fuel efficiency of the engine by downsizing or reducing the displaced volume. In order to understand the relevant physics and improve the designs, most of these research projects will consist of separate experimental and computational components. The computational models that we construct consist of relatively simple, fast-running one-dimensional models to more detailed three-dimensional computational fluid dynamic models, which require extensive resources, and that's what we utilize Ohio Supercomputer Center for.
This research by Dr. Selamet at the Center for Automotive Research is a great example of how high-performance computing can help improve the daily lives of people around the world. The state of Ohio's investment in the Ohio Supercomputer Center enables corporations to invest in Ohio research as well. The money that comes in to fund these kinds of research efforts at Ohio State and other universities around the state creates jobs and creates the opportunity for research that would not exist otherwise.
When properly utilized, these 3D CFD models can be tremendous tools which help us learn a great deal about the flow field within turbocharger compressors. But when used alone, the computational results can be misleading. That's why we oftentimes bring in the experimental component for validation of the models. The high-performance computing that is available to us through OSC have made it possible to carry out predictions that would have been impossible otherwise. OSC provides an exceptional resource to us, and in combination with the tremendous group of people working there, we've been just overly happy with the support that we've received for our projects.